how to navigate through the Teams interface. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can navigate through the Teams application interface, and also I will be giving you a brief understanding on all of the slide bars and tabs that appear in the Teams UI. So basically, you will be able to navigate through the Teams interface after watching this video. So without further ado, let us launch our Teams application. Gonna go to the search bar and type for Teams, and I'm gonna double click onto Microsoft Teams. And here you can see this is the basic interface of the Microsoft Teams. Over the extreme left hand side, we have all of our tabs. The first one is the chat tab, under which you will find your recent tabs. Also, you can create new groups or subgroups as well. From here, you can chat with anyone or any person. So, all of your chats are going to appear here. Then, apart from that, in the chat, you also have some other options. Like you can click onto this invite to Teams option if you want to invite someone. Then apart from chats, we have the Meet tab under which you can create, schedule, or join a Teams meeting using these particular options. Then moving on, we have the communities where you can build your community. So this basically brings people together like school, business, or life. Then you will find your calendar from where you can see all of your scheduled meetings and other reminders as well. Then, apart from calendar, we have the final tab that is the activity tab where you will see the at the rate mentions, reactions, and other notifications here. So that's basically pretty much about the user interface of the Teams. Other options include to view your profile. You can click onto this option right here where your profile picture and account will be visible, from where you can set your status and status messages as well. And also you can search for other people using this particular search bar over here. So like this, you can simply search them, or you can also specify their exact email address and then try to reach out to them. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.